Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a recreation look off my Instagram. This is the look that I'm going to recreate. I created that eye look using the Jaclyn Hill palette, so this is the palette that we will be using. I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match. This is in the color N2 Classic Ivory. And just blend it in. I'm going to come in with my Fit Me Maybelline powder. I really like this because I just set this all over my skin and it's just really nice. This is in the color Classic Ivory. And I just used a little sponge that it comes with. And I just pat it in just like a beauty blender to set that foundation. This is my City Color Mosaic Blush. I don't have the cover for it anymore because it fell and broke. But this is in the color Bronze Glow. This is just the NYX Ombre Blush. I'm going to come in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. And I got this when I was in New York City. My mom and I went to Ulta and I picked this up. I really love it. It's very gorgeous. Now, once I'm done with the powder portion of my face, I come back in with my all-nighter setting spray because this kind of helps to blend all the powder into your skin and help everything to look very flawless. You don't want to have like little loose powders on your face. This just helps like what's the word? Like melt it all together. I'm just going to do my lips now because this is easy. The lipstick that I used there was my Tom Ford 07 Pink Dusk. I used this in that photo on my Instagram if you want to check it out. It's Italian Diva 13. This was the color that I used. Let's do the eyes. I'm going to do my brows how I normally do them. I'm going to use my Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Ebony. I like to have a very natural brow now. And I just got my brows waxed yesterday, so it makes it super easy just to follow my natural brow. Alright, so I just did the other eye. All you can see is I apply it right from here to the end of my brow. I don't like to apply anything to the front of my brow because back in the day I used to do that and they were just square. They were very hard looking. So now I just take my spoolie and I blend some of that product that I put right here, and it will blend directly to the front, but it won't bring too much product, so you'll still be able to see your natural brow hairs, which makes the brow look very natural. I'm just going to take some of my Maybelline Brow Drama, and this is a brow gel, and just apply it to my brow to make sure everything is all secure. I like to brush up the front of my hairs, especially when they're freshly waxed or threaded, because everything's all even and I can just brush them up so they have more of a natural look, like I was saying. But you can use an eyeshadow base if you want to, but I just used my foundation because it was a little easier, and that's what I did that day. So I'm going to use my everyday shadow brushes. I'm going to come in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and this fluffy Sigma E40 brush. I believe this is E40, but the writing has worn off. And then I also like to dip into this color right here. So I will dip into those three colors and apply those colors into my crease. so I'm gonna dip into this one down here and this one right here. And I'm gonna focus this on the outer corner of my eye, because you wanna blend this all in. I'm going to come in with this color right here. And I'm just going to use my finger and we're going to put this on the lid. I'm going to take a little bit under my brow bone, but I will have to come up to kind of blend some of that out because it was a little harsh. So now that we've done that, I'm going to come back in because you want to make sure there's no harsh lines from where you applied that lighter color. I'm going to come in with the two darkest brown colors at the bottom and just kind of press it on the outer corner because I like when the outer corner is the darkest. I keep looking back at my little reference photo. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go follow. I always leave all my links down below. I put on my Lorac eyeliner on my waterline. I'm going to come in with a little brush like this, and from the looks of it, I took the colors on the top that we applied into the crease. Okay, so I applied the colors that we applied in the crease just on the bottom. I'm going to take a darker color, the one color on the bottom, I'll show you, just to apply that a little bit on the outer. Just this one right here. I'm going to take a little bit more eyeliner just to make it pop a little bit better. Just using the Lash Blast. Back cover girl. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my eyelashes. I'm going to do that off camera. I'm using the Lashes in a Box lashes in the style E2. Alright you guys, so this is the finished recreated makeup look that was on my Instagram. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!